Hi, this is Missy here with SmarterQueue, and in this video, I'll be walking through how to download and use the SmarterQueue Chrome extension. While browsing the web, use the SmarterQueue Chrome extension to quickly add the page you're currently viewing directly to your queue and streamline your workflow. To get started, head over to the Chrome Web Store and search for SmarterQueue, then click on Add to Chrome. In the pop-up that appears, click Add Extension. A confirmation pop-up will let you know that the SmarterQueue Chrome extension was added to your browser. Make sure to pin the extension to your browser bar for quick access. Now, whenever you're on a website that you'd like to share with your followers, simply click on the SmarterQueue icon. The post editor will open with the link pre-filled so you can create a new post to share your web page. Select a category, social profiles, and make any edits you'd like to the imported content. Along with the link, the Chrome extension will also pull the page title. When you're finished editing, click Save and you'll be automatically redirected back to the website you were viewing so you can continue browsing. You can also use the Chrome extension to reshare images from the web that you find while browsing. Simply hover your mouse over the photo and you'll see a Share Image button with the SmarterQueue logo appear. Click the button to open the post editor once again. The SmarterQueue extension will still pull in the link and title of the website you're on, but the specific image you've selected will instead be added as media to your post and will replace the link preview. If you only want to use the image for your post, you can simply remove the link and page title from the post editor before publishing or saving to the queue.
If you're not a Chrome user or would simply prefer an alternative, try out our browser Bookmarklet instead.
With the SmarterQueue browser Bookmarklet, you can quickly create a social post from any website you're currently viewing. To add the Bookmarklet to your browser, go to Find Content in your SmarterQueue account. Scroll down and click on Install Browser Bookmarklet. Make sure that your Bookmarks or Favorites bar is set to Always Show so you can add the Bookmarklet extension. Next, simply drag the SmarterQueue Plus button to your Bookmarks bar. Now that you have the Bookmarklet added to your browser, you can use it to create a post from any website you're visiting. To do so, all you need to do is click on the SmarterQueue Bookmarklet. This will open the post editor with the link of the website pre-filled so you can create a new post to share the web page. You can add any additional content to your post as you would normally when working in the post editor, then save the post to the queue. Alright, there you have it. Thanks so much for watching, and if you have any questions, please feel free to get in touch by sending an email to hello@smarterqueue.com.